Oh, Beth. Would you eat me?
My name is Beth Connor, and for the past 17 years, my life has gone straight to video.
On-demand streaming channels will pay a handsome 7 figures for an, gee whiz, a school shooting.
This school is enabling school massacres by allowing students to choose between either killing their friends or killing themselves.
Planning on inviting Miss Campbell to the all-you-can-eat massacre contest.
You know, if you don't have a boner for Miss Campbell, you could always attend to mine.
For lack of a better term, problematic.
Kyle!
What is this bullshit?
Well, that's one way to deal with unruly students dressed as former presidents.
Together, we could rid the world of this toxic, self-appointed patriarchy that served nothing to womankind but pain and grief. And what is more poetic and American than a high school massacre?